Hey there, I built this. This is what we do. This is a walnut countertop. So this one is a special blue that was spec'd by one of our customers, and it goes really, really well with this walnut. The walnut's just natural. You got real brick on the wall. It's a flexible brick that is architectural brick. It actually goes on the inside of buildings. It's kind of cool. This one is a microwave, refrigerator, freezer. Toilet is in this seat right here. We swivel this seat. Everything is soft close. Got an air conditioner on the ceiling and a heater. Got a max fan right here with chargers for your phone up here and the lights. We've got a charger under here. Got chargers here. Wallet cabinet, key cabinet, and shoe cabinet down there. This is kind of a fun van. This is now my new favorite countertop. So the garage is kind of unique for us, or unique for the market. We've got a whole 6 foot by 4 foot permanent bed up here. So we've got a garage with a shower here, but also you can store things down here that you don't have to move. Driving down the road, you get tired, you stop, you don't have to do anything. You just go take a nap. It's designed to be as easy as it can possibly be.